The first year, what we really wanted to do at CB Rep here was kind of elevate the quality of what we do and bring the focus back on what we do and how we do it. And we felt that if we really were able to present high quality, intimate theater in a setting, that our patrons, our audience, our donors would come and appreciate it, and the word would get out. And finally, after a year of pushing and finagling and designing, been able to present what we do and how we do it in the building we actually do it in. So when people drive by, they'll actually know where CB Rep is and what we do inside it and how we do it. The first show we're presenting is The Fantastics, which was really the longest running musical in history. But this version is reimagined by the author, Tom Jones. And he's really imagined a simple love story. But instead of Matt falling in love with Louisa, Matt falls in love with Louis. The second piece is a completely new premiered work that will be the first time on stage here, which was a play we discovered in Origins called Summer Session with the Bones Brigade, which is about 6 youngsters coming of age in America. 4 of them skateboard, and they actually will be skateboarding and building a half pipe on stage. The third one is a reconceived version, fully immersive cabaret. So when you step off the street, you would be transported to 1918 Germany. You will walk through the theater. By the time you are in the theater space, it will be 1939 and you will be in the Kit Kat Club. The fourth one, because it's going to be an election year, is a slapstick farce comedy called POTUS. And the last one is the American classic family musical, Nice Work If You Can Get It by Gershwin. Now as people start to recognize that it's not just Mary Pickford, it's also going to be live performance venues, the amphitheater across the street, and restaurants that are within walking distance, easy walking distance, available parking. Cathedral City's going to be humming, and it's going to be a place that people are going to drive by and recognize. There's something changing, and it's changing for the better, and then when they actually attend, they're going to be able to pass that on to friends and family.